Right, Lana, where we at?
We're at a holy hole. We've taken this out, which did have a mullered one of these. It's over there actually. So it wasn't actually making a seal because it was so squashed. We've got the two old bolts which have got mushed up heads, crummy looking things. So we found two new ones, which are nice and shiny. Only one was the right length, so we've had to cut that one down and machine the heads slightly so that they'll sit recessed in there like this. We're going to put that back on and hopefully, fingers crossed, no more leaky gearbox.
Lovely.
Hopefully.
Let's see where we get.
Where do we go?
Where we at?
We're back and we're all back together and there's no leaking. It's had the Tony's fag brake test, which is 10 minutes of standing around smoking and nattering, and it's still dry, so fingers crossed that's fixed that.
Right, gearbox back in?
Hopefully, yeah. Yeah, the awkward bit's going to get that donut thingy to mount on the thingy with the thing, mesh doofer.
But you are an awkward donut.
I am an awkward donut.
Right, Lana, we're all back together, yeah?
Yeah, we're all back together. It all looks like it's dry, no more leaks. So we can check down there that it's all dry. Cleared that out earlier just to make sure we
That was getting wet very soon, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Very quickly.
Yeah, so it's been back together about 45 minutes now. No sign of any leaks, which is really good news. We were fearing it might be much more convoluted and complicated than that and take the next 5 weeks, but instead we've done it this morning.
What's left?
What's left is, well, the main thing that's left, we've got a new base gasket we need to put on here, on that cylinder, and the push rod tubes are also leaking. You can see them underneath here. So that's next week's task. We've still got this choke to mount somewhere because that's now missing where it was on the old bit of air filter casing. And we've got the air intake pipe on the other side is a bit more tight than that, so we need to make something up to get that sorted. Other than that, it's pretty much there. Need to get it home, put the chair back on it, sort out my battery box, get it MOT'd, and I'll be back on the road. Fingers crossed.
And where are you hoping to go?
Going to the Adventure Bike Rider Festival in Warwickshire in a few weeks' time, so hoping to be able to take this with me.
So we've got 2 weeks?
2 weeks? Maybe 3?
Maybe 3.
I can't count. 2 or 3 weeks.
Oh, okay.
Something.
We'll get it done.
Yeah, so that's the aim. So
next episode? Next week.
Next week. Come back next week for more fun and games of Sunday Morning Club.